What's up, everybody? It's cold, but old bait caster in hand. That's right, we're out here trying to get some bass, maybe some crappie. Just a small little inland pond. It snowed earlier this morning. Probably could have caught more steelhead today, but that's all right. We're gonna see what we can get on. So switching over to the chesty, to the GoPro, we'll see what we catch. Frank just said he got chased in throwing a crankbait, which I also am currently throwing. Like it's coming in weird. I wonder if I got a hook tangled up. Just a little bit of seaweed. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Sorry, you guys can't hear me. I'm talking to Frank. Well, you can hear me. You can't hear Frank. Well, hey, if you need to get out there a little further, you could always go put them on. Well, I think I tried to whip that out a little too hard. I lost my crankbait. Oh no. That's gonna be fun to deal with. Well, let's see what we can do. Nice and easy, don't need to pull too tight or anything. She's moving right along. Oh, okay, we're gonna get stuck right there. Readjust. There we go. I thought about just turning the GoPro off so that y'all couldn't watch me do this, but I'm gonna let you watch. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Well, I lost my crankbait because I got a little overzealous with my cast and it broke off. And so now I'm dealing with my rat's nest here. A little bit of backlash. Oh, right here. There we go. We're getting things done. We're getting things done. Really?
Yeah. 5-inch black leech. Hit it hard.
Oh, dang. Look at that cute little bass.
Look at that little bass.
Dang, dude.
You little guy.
Yeah.
So. That wind died, man.
It did. Do birds normally hang upside down like that? Oh man, he's stuck in fishing line.
No, he's not.
He is. Dang it. Oh, jeez. Oh yeah, it's a lot of fishing line. Okay. Oh dude, yeah, he's been here for a while too.
Really?
Ankles all busted.
You gonna grab it? I want the gloves.
Oh, if you got gloves.
Here, throw those on. Hang on, buddy.
Bird ain't happy. I know. Oh, jeez. Buddy. Hold on, I'm gonna try to get his wings. I want him to try to. Oh, yeah, his ankle
Broken.
is busted.
Once you secure it, I can. Alright, good.
Yeah, go ahead and cut.
And we'll perform surgery down here.
Oh, yeah, you gotta get all that cut. Get his ankle freed up from the tree if we can. It's bad.
I see it. What's going on here?
Yeah, just cut that.
Is that fishing line?
I think so.
It's around its little.
Oh yeah, his claws are all tightened up.
Oh man. Let me go get my little tweezers.
Yep. Oh, I'm sorry, little bird. Oh yeah, you're pretty messed up, huh?
Maybe it's not broken, dude.
Oh yeah, if we can, we'll just get as much of that line out as we can.
It's wrapped around his foot. People.
This is why you always clean up after yourself.
What's going on here?
Might be knotted on there.
It is.
Yeah.
So, man, it's like on there, Tommy.
Well, hey, if he's got mobility.
Dude, I think we got him. Let me check. This line is here, is it?
His other leg is underneath because that one's fine, but this one,
All right.
let's get him down and see what he does.
Yes!
It flew away, baby. Hey, we're just out here saving birds.
That's right. We're just out here saving lives one day. All right, where's
Yeah,
this?
let's cut the rest of this up because it was a lot. It's this big bunch right here.
Oh,
Yeah, there's a lot of it. Oh, look at this, dude.
someone just got stuff up in this tree.
I decided just to cut it and be
I don't
done.
believe it.
We'll just take
All right.
we'll take the whole tree branch out with us, I think.
Yeah. Right here's a bunch more, Tommy. Let's just throw it all right here for now, and then
Yeah.
when we go leave, there's a bunch here.
Oh my gosh. Good gravy, people.
Look at this.
Pick up your stinking line. Got one. We got a fish, baby. We got a fish. Woohoo! Decent little largie.
Oh yeah. Look at Tommy. Tommy, you might have been the same bass. Nice.
Right in the roof of the mouth. There we go.
Do it.
Catching fish.
Oh, dude, it's such a good
Oh, yes.
I know they're small, but it's just something about this landing our first.
Oh, dude, fish is a fish to me. I'm happy regardless. On? Ooh, let's go! Looks like a better one too.
Yeah.
Look at all these cute little bass we're catching.
Actually, I think it's the same fish.
It very well could be. He is of similar size and stature.
Bottom jaw.
Yeah, baby.
Look at that little guy.
Oh, yeah.
Those are fun though.
Oh, yeah.
Get in there. Get in there and swim away. Bring your big daddy back.
That's right. Tell all your big friends.
Hey, you want that one, black? Uh-oh.
Oh, it's a stick.
Oh, I hear some drag.
It was just heavy enough to where I thought maybe it was a fish. It wasn't. I gave you old spinner bait some try. Oh. Somehow that one's even smaller.
Getting smaller. Why are you getting smaller? Dude, look at this thing. It's like a bite-sized bass.
Dude, it oh, dude. I just missed a big thump. Oh, it's starting to rain or snow or something. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, yeah, buddy. Got me another bass. Look at, that's another little one. Yeah. Yep, probably one of the fish we've already caught. Look at there, cute little bass. Bloop. Bloop. Oh, that looks nice. Gonna catch a fish on this. Oh no. He done got snagged up. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. Yes!
Nice.
On the Texas rig.
Really?
Dude, oh my gosh, I was not expecting that either. Hey, that might be the biggest one I've gotten all day. It's just so funny to say.
I know.
But man, these will be some nice fish once they're nice and big, you know?
Yeah. Texas rig, huh?
Yeah, on the old bandito bug.
Nice.
Okay, little fishy. Ready to go home? Bye-bye.